So if I were to go ahead and open up Handbrake right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and open up. Let me just go ahead and load a sample file around over here as well. Then what happens is that this preset is applied, as you can see right here. That is fast 1080p 30. Now let's say I want another preset to be applied as default when I open up Handbrake. In that case, I can go around over here onto preset right here, just like this, and then go around over here onto manage preset and select a particular preset that I want. Let's say, for example, I want Roku 1080p 30 surround as the default preset. In that case, you can select this now and then set it as default. Now that has been set as the default preset. So let me just go ahead right here and close it out and open up Handbrake again, just like this. So now once I go ahead and let me just go ahead and open up a file right here, you can see that Roku 1080p 30 surround is the default preset now. And that is how you can go ahead and set default preset on launch inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.